When you search for the best Castile soaps, everything looks the same. Same claims, same photos. But to understand what actually works and what's just pretty packaging, you need to dig a little deeper.
Product number 1, Yokin Pure Castile Liquid Soap. What caught my eye was its EWG verified label and the price point at $8.96 for 8 ounces. If you want a truly organic soap that's gentle on sensitive skin, this is worth a serious look. Here's why this matters for you specifically. Yokin soap is made with organic oils and is 2 to 3 times more concentrated than regular soaps, which means a little goes a long way. It's versatile enough to be used for everything from laundry to body wash, so you're not just buying a single-use product. With over 5,000 sold in the past month, this soap undeniably has a following. Now, some people complained about the size being too small for the price. Here's the thing though. If you're using it for multiple purposes, the concentration makes it last longer than you might expect. So while it might seem pricey up front, it can save you money in the long run. This is perfect for you if you have sensitive skin and want a soap that's eco-friendly. Skip this one if you're looking for a heavily scented product. For $8.96, it's a solid value for a pure organic option. Now, if the price of Yokin soap concerned you, the next one is a bulk option that takes a completely different approach.
Product number 2. Webe Pure Unscented Castile Soap. The Webe Pure Unscented Castile Liquid Soap Refill, priced at $21.99 for a whopping 64 ounces. This caught my attention for its value and multi-use capabilities. If you want a soap that can do it all without breaking the bank, this is definitely worth considering. What's cool about this soap is that it's made with organic olive oil, which is gentler on your skin. It's free from all the nasty stuff like parabens and sulfates, making it safe for sensitive skin, pets, and even babies. The bulk refill size means fewer plastic bottles, which is a win for the planet and your wallet. Plus, with 4,000 sold recently, it's clear that many people trust this brand. However, some users noted it can feel a bit thick, leading them to dilute it more than they expected. Here's why that's not a deal breaker. If you're looking for a soap that's versatile enough for household cleaning and personal care, a little bit of dilution just means you're maximizing value. This is perfect for you if you want a multi-purpose cleaner that's great for the whole family. Skip this one if you prefer a scented soap, as it's completely unscented. At $21.99, it's a budget-friendly option that offers tremendous value. Alright, that was a solid option, but the next one on my list might actually be even better for those who enjoy a variety.
Product number 3. Dr. Bronner's Magic Bar Soaps. The third product is Dr. Bronner's Pure Castile Magic Bar Soaps, which come in a variety gift pack for $35.99. The variety caught my eye, and if you're someone who loves trying different scents, this is a fun option. These bars are made with regenerative organic certified oils, providing a rich lather that feels luxurious on the skin. They're also free from synthetic detergents and foaming agents, which means you're getting a product that's both effective and gentle. With 4,000 sold recently, it's clear that many people are fans. Here's why this matters. The variety pack includes 3 different scents, allowing you to switch things up based on your mood. But I'll be real with you. Some users mentioned that they found the bars a bit hard to lather up compared to liquid soaps. Here's the thing though. Once you get it right, the clean feel and freshness are definitely worth it, especially if you prefer bar soaps. This is perfect for you if you enjoy experimenting with different scents and want a product that's eco-conscious. Skip this if you only want a liquid soap, as these are bar soaps. For $35.99, you get not just one, but several different experiences all in one package. Now, if you're after a liquid soap that offers a rich experience, the next one might just be your go-to. Product number 4. Carolina Castile Liquid Body Wash. The Carolina Castile Liquid Body Wash in Tobacco Vanilla, priced at $23.95 for 32 ounces. This one stood out because of its unique scent and the promise of being gentle on the skin. If you want a luxurious experience with a hint of sophistication, this is definitely worth a look. What's cool about this product is that it's made with organic olive oil and cocoa butter, ensuring it won't dry out your skin. The creamy lather is perfect for use as a body wash, shampoo, or hand soap. Plus, it's highly concentrated, meaning a little will go a long way. It's been bought over 2,000 times recently, which shows it's gaining traction. Now, some users reported the scent being a bit strong for their tastes, but here's the thing.
If you appreciate a warm, sophisticated scent, this might just elevate your daily routine. This is perfect for you if you want a multi-use soap that smells fantastic and hydrates well. Skip this one if you're sensitive to strong fragrances. For $23.95, it's a fair price for a high-quality, luxurious product. Lastly, if you like peppermint scents, you'll want to stick around for the final product.
Product number 5. Dr. Natural Castile Liquid Soap. We have the Dr. Natural Castile Liquid Soap in peppermint, priced at $11.97 for 32 ounces. I was drawn to its plant-based ingredients and the refreshing peppermint scent. If you want a soap that feels fresh and invigorating, this one is definitely worth your time. This soap is multi-purpose, meaning you can use it from head to toe, whether as a body wash, face wash, or even a kitchen soap. Its natural glycerin provides hydration, ensuring that your skin stays soft and supple. With 2,000 sales recently, it's another popular choice out there. Here's why this matters. It's gentle enough for sensitive skin and contains no harsh chemicals, making it a safe choice for your whole family. However, some users mention that it can feel a bit too watery compared to thicker soaps. Here's my take. The lightweight nature allows for easy application and rinsing, which can actually be a plus for many. This is perfect for you if you want a refreshing, versatile soap that's all natural. Skip this if you prefer a thicker consistency. For $11.97, it's a great option for anyone looking for a fresh cleanse without harsh additives. So there you have it, 5 fantastic Castile soaps that cater to a variety of needs. Whether you prefer a concentrated liquid, a refreshing scent, or an eco-friendly option, there's something here for everyone. Take your pick and enjoy a cleaner, greener lifestyle.